Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is myself from Porua, and in this video we're going to learn about a new AI tool called Dell E. So Dell E is a similar tool. Dell E is a tool by which we can convert any text or any prompt into images, right? So in the previous lecture we have talked about and learned something about search gpt, how to use search gpt. If you have not watched that video, please go to the playlist section and watch and learn it, how to use search gpt properly. So here you can see Dell E is also powered by OpenAI. So this is a very important so this is a very interesting tool. Here you can see some images in the website of Dell E. So these are all images are AI generated. Here I will show you the prompt. For this image, the prompt will be 3D render of a cute tropical fish in an aquarium on a dark blue background, digital art. So here you can see this is the digital art of a fish in the aquarium. So these all are generated by this Dell E. Here you can find the prompt also. If you give the prompt like this, then this photo will be generated. Similar photo will be generated, right? So this is just amazing work by AI. You can imagine also. This all are generated by AI. Let's generate some images. So these images are copyright free also. You can use these images or generated by yourself and use on your design, or if you need for any content creation, then you will definitely generate by yourself and add on your contents. So we will first generate, suppose I need an animated character, right? Okay, I will write to prompt as an animated character, an animated character of a schoolboy image. So this is a simple prompt, an animated character of a schoolboy. I have mentioned all the things. This prompt means that the generated image will be animated character and character will be a schoolboy. Okay, let's generate. So it will take some time. So you can see here some result generated by Delhi, and here Delhi, this is nothing but the watermark of the Delhi. So you can directly, if you need more, then you can generate more also. An animated character of a school boy going to the school. Let's generate. So here are the result. You can see the boy going to the school. What I will do, I can also edit this image also. Then also I can generate variation also. First of all, I will download this as I like. Okay. Now I will go to this section, generate variation. Then variation of this image will be generated. So these are some variation. You can see this is the AI made some variation from this reference, taking the reference of this image. These are some variation, right? So that's also, you can generate whatever you want. Suppose a cow flying. If a cow was flying, you can do some fun stuff also like this. So you can see there are some funny images, cows flying, right? uh, Maybe the detailing is not so good, not too good, because this is AI generated, right? So that's all. Hope you learned something. See you in the next video with a new AI tool. Thank you.